ABHE and BCDF are rhombuses. CGF is a straight line. Find BGF. So I'm just gonna mark them down. At the same time, I'm just gonna make this a little bit easier to see with a line over here. Okay, so so we have one. So all of them are rhombus. Okay, I don't have to really mark them that much. So we just need to find BGF, which is this. I'm gonna mark this red so it's easier to see. All right, so BGF over here. Okay, so if we can get this angle, right, then we can get BGF. That's what you see over here. Okay, so we know this is 105 degrees. That's what you see over here. And then we have 219 degrees as well. So we also know that this is 106 degrees. So that means opposite angles for rhombuses are the same. So this is also 106. So I'm going to put this over here just to make it a little bit easier to see. Okay, I'm just going to put this here. And then I'm going to write here 106. Okay, and then degrees. That's what I see over here. Okay, so this purple one is 106 degrees. Okay, so with that said, we can get this angle. I'm gonna put this in orange. We can get this angle over here. Okay, first. So essentially, in this case, we can get this angle, right? This, whoops. Okay, let's do this angle first, like this. All right, so then after that, we can get this orange angle. So for this, so angle CBG is equal to 360, right? So minus 219 minus 105. Okay, and what will this give us? So let's use our calculator. 360. Okay, I'm gonna move it over here. Minus 219 minus 105. Okay, this will give us 36 degrees over here. So this 36 is this green one over here. Okay, so now we know this is 36 degrees. Okay, the next thing is we want to get the orange one. So since we know that this is 105, sorry, this is 106, then we can get the orange one. So that is basically GBF, right? So angle, right? Then GBF is equal to 106 degrees. Sorry, 106 minus 36. This will be 70 degrees, right? Okay, so basically, I want to say is angle, angle CDF is equal to angle CBF, which is equal to 106, okay, degrees. So I see over here. Okay, so now we know that this orange one is 30 degrees. I'm gonna put this over here and orange. All right, so now the next thing is how to get BFG, right? So angle BFG, another color, right? So BFG is basically half of this over here, okay? So we, so BFG is just angle BFG, right? BFG is equal to 180, and then minus 106, okay? And then we divide this by 2, yeah? Divide this by, by 2. Okay, so 180 minus 106, 180 minus 106. Okay, and then we divide by 2. This will give us 37 degrees, right? Over here. So this is 37 degrees, like this. Okay, so then we can find BGF. So BG and F, okay, is equal to 180 minus 70 minus 37 in this case. So 180 minus 37 and 70, right? 37 and 70, and this will give us 73 degrees over here. So there you go. The answer to this is 73 degrees.